Pegasus Spyware is a virus made by an Israeli company called NSO. This virus can get to someone's device through the system's vulnerability and can infect the device. It can then perform malicious activities like getting access to your data, clicking picture, start recording, see through your messages, and send all this data to their servers. After performing all the malicious tasks, it can self-destruct itself, or in other words, the virus comes perform task and delete all the files where it was located. As a computer enthusiast, you must know how the virus delete himself after performing all the task, which is why to give you a simple idea how this Pegasus virus works, I am going to make a program using Python which will perform the task and self-delete himself. Making a program Pegasus.py. And writing 2 lines of code. Hash codes to hack is the area where the spyware is instructed what to perform, and after following the instruction it get automatically deleted. As after writing this program, this Pegasus.py files was formed, and after running the program it got deleted.